sexy welding people from YouTube. How you guys doing? I hope you guys having a good day. Today I'm just gonna practice some welding and I'm gonna show you guys how I fit up these 90s. Hopefully I can remember because it's been so long since I work with pipe and fittings. Oh my gosh! But right here we have a 2-inch pipe and we're gonna clean it. We have a 2-inch 90. A beautiful day here in Arizona. Look at this. It's like 110 degrees outside, but so good in the neighborhood. Alright. I have my tripod over here, and what you want to do is clean your pipe. Make sure it's square. I'm gonna get my extension cord, get the machine running, get it warm up. Everything's good. You're using the classic 300, you already know. Alright, so we're gonna make sure the pipe is square so we can have a nice bevel. Alright, so we check it with the L square, make sure it's square, make sure everything's good. Alright, I have a video if you want to check it out, how to make a bevel. Explain more detail a little bit, but pretty much you just want to make sure it's square with the L square. Make sure everything's good, otherwise you're gonna have a bigger gap on one side and it's just not gonna be even Steven. Alright, so after it's good, you just wanna do your bevel, your landing, clean the pipe, clean your fitting, the 90, everything nice and clean, nice landing, probably 116 landing or 332, whatever you prefer. So I'm just gonna, this 90 already has a bevel, so I just cleaned it. As you can see here, my little bevel right there. So right, doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, and now we're gonna get a clamp. Okay, but before we clamp this bad boy, you wanna make sure that this piece of pipe right here is level. All right, so we're gonna fit it face it down, but first we're gonna check the level on the pipe, make sure everything's good. So as you can see here, it's not level, right? So it wants to come down. All right, so this is where this tripod comes in handy, very handy. You just twist it, it wants to go up, go up, go down, whatever you need to. All right, I'll probably do a video about these tripods, difference between all these tripods, but that's a talk for another time. But yeah, as you can see here, I'm just twisting the handle and the level is going up. So we're gonna get our pipe nice and level so it can be perfect 100%. All right, so I think it looks pretty straight to me. Right there, maybe a little bit more. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty good. We just practicing, but you always want to look for perfection, just in case some job pops up. Hopefully, probably it's gonna be next year, guys. Oil's still down. A lot of friends of mine, they're still not finding jobs. They just some are not doing welding, some are doing pipe fitting, some are doing some other jobs. So it is what it is. And right now I'm not working, just doing whatever at home, chilling. But now our pipe is good, it's straight, it's level. So now we have our 90 and we're gonna check the level like this, make sure it's good, which is not, and we're gonna fix it. Everything has to be perfect 100%. All right, after everything's good, after that this level, then we're gonna tack it. We're gonna do one tack. All right, 90 facing down, so it's easier for us to check the other level when we flip it up. All right, so 60-10 1/8, we'll put a tag. That level's no longer needed, clamp no longer needed, so we're gonna take it off, flip it around, and check for the other level. Right, that's right. This good clamp to have for the 2-inch pipes and fittings. So we put a little tag right there. We're gonna flip it. I don't have my cameraman. He's working. Well, we're gonna flip this one. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What we're gonna do is a big gap. So we have a little gap, but it's alright. Captain Money will get it. You can check it with the level sideways, alright? Or you can do the L squares with the tape measurement. Since I don't have my cameraman, I'm just gonna do it with the level, alright? And that's it. But nothing now is good. Now we're gonna tack it on the top and weld it. Make sure you have even Steven gap on both sides, and that's it. Alright guys, well that was it for today's video. I'm just gonna weld this bad boy and go to town. Alright, hope you guys stay safe out there, and I'll see you next time. Bye.